Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to change the name of your Facebook page in 2025. Whether you're rebranding your business, correcting a typo, or just freshening things up, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're an admin of the Facebook page you want to change. If you're not, you'll need to get that access from the current admin. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, head over to your page by searching for it in the search bar or clicking on it from your profile. Now, once you're on your page, look for the Settings option. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by a gear icon. Click on that, and you'll see a menu pop up. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General or Page Info section. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Here, you'll find an option for Page Name or something similar. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your new name. Remember, Facebook has some rules. The name should accurately reflect your brand, be under 50 characters, and avoid anything misleading. Type in your desired name and hit Request Change or Save, depending on the interface in 2025. After you submit, Facebook might review your request, especially if it's a big change. This could take a few days, so be patient. If everything checks out, your new name will be approved and go live. One quick tip: if your request gets denied, double-check for violations and try again. Also, changing your page name won't affect your followers or content, so no worries there. There you have it. Changing your Facebook page name is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.